Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry we missed a day. It has been a couple busy days. We're actually upgrading our vehicle, getting something a little bit more comfortable. When we were out in Bennington, it was just the ride was beautiful, but the car that we have right now, we have a stick shift, and it's so uncomfortable. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to upgrade our vehicle. Things are going through good, and we're upgrading some equipment. So we may miss a day here and there. It's been kind of busy, but we're still giving you great content, great videos. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed our last video, which was on how cloudy it is in the Capital District, because it gets very cloudy. This is one of the things that kind of drive people away. So that was the last video. We're still updating the timestamps on that. This video, we actually went down New Johnson Road and then hit the roundabout and went on Boght Road. So we went from Latham all the way down New Johnson Road on Boght Road, I believe it's called, and then hit down and we head up Watervliet. So nice little ride, beautiful day, beautiful houses. So other than that, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to like if you're returning to the channel. Comment below, let us know what you think, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.